Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Rakuten points in Family Mart. Now, you can see in Family Mart, they have an agreement here, right? And you can earn and use Rakuten points in Family Mart like this, right? You get 1 point for every 200 yen, right? So if you buy something that costs 200 yen or more, like for example, you buy an item that costs 1,000 yen, you'll be getting 5 Rakuten points, right? And then 1 Rakuten point is equals to 1 yen. So if you have 1,000 Rakuten points, you can buy something for 1,000 yen in Family Mart, right? So it's a pretty cool cashback method, right? And you can see there's right now an ongoing thing here. Now you can use Rakuten Point in Family Mart by using the app like this. It's Rakuten Cash, but I think you can only download this and use this when you're in Japan, right? So I would show you the app, but I don't think it's available where I live now. And then you can use that app like it's a QR code scanner, right? And then you can also use a Rakuten point card by clicking on this link here. It's basically like a credit card, but it's where you store your Rakuten point in Family Mart. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.